Guys, I didn't tie it up, the plastics, because I have to drop off the car to alignment in 1 hour. I have appointment for alignment, and after that I'm gonna finish here because I still have to adjust a little bit the hood. So we're going to alignment right now, and I'm very excited. Car is 95% done, and after alignment I want to finish it. And first time, guys, first time we're gonna try to drive on this car, on the clean salvage car. Hold it. So much tools in here. It's mean bad alignment. Okay, I see. We have to add some fluid because it's annoying, like not enough power
noise right now that we hear?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Like
yeah, I mean it's normal because it's not enough, you know, power steering fluid. I mean, first time to drive on this car is, I mean, feels good, you know.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, but we have to, I mean, did you see how steering wheel, it's like,
yeah, it's like, and it's towards the left.
Yeah, and details. After that we have to do detail the car. Man, this car is so low, front so low, I have to drop off a little bit back. I installed the Novitec springs here, and that's why it's so low, you know. But this car has front suspension lift? Yes, okay, good. Because it's gonna be hard to put in on the lift. I hope we're not gonna get pulled over without plates, without nothing, no registration, you know.
Crazy.
It's called Russian way. Or Ukrainian, doesn't matter. Oh, I have to. Yeah, it's a battery.
Oh, it's just.
I have to tie the battery, and take it off all this stuff, you know. Remote control doesn't work before, but I replaced the battery. I thought something wrong with the antenna, but I replaced the battery. Everything works fine. AC works. Radio. I think I need
first time driving after accident.
Yes, I think I need another day to fix completely. You know.
Not bad.
Battery, did you see jumping?
Oh, the battery itself?
Yeah. I have to put in the special bracket.
It's not fast
put in the, no, it's. I mean, it's taking me like about 20 minutes to done over here. Guys, just remember how was this car before. It's like whole thing is smashed. It's whole dash apart, you know, interior apart, no seats, no windshield, no roof, nothing. You know, I can do anything, man. It feels like flat tires. It feels because it's like
it's not stable, right?
Yeah, because the alignment is really bad. I think one wheel is going over here, like I'm driving supposed to be like that, but they like that. Oh. Let's try after alignment. Much better. I'm gonna replace the airbag right now. So I'm almost done with the car. I'm really tired, but I wanna finish it completely today. Underneath, I'm gonna show you. Everything looks clean and everything looks like supposed to be. I have to clean up more, you know, water spots and stuff. We put in the cover under gravel panel. So alignment done. So everything looks good. Now I'm gonna now I'm gonna finish the front. I have to put in under gravel panels also. Yep. I have to put in under gravel panels, that's all. Okay guys, finally I finished the car completely. This car just need to detailing interior and buff outside, just buff whole car, because you know, like, this car used to be wrapped on a different color, so that's why like this car need to buffer up completely. And you never tell from outside, from inside, this car been on an accident. You can see perfect gaps, you know, perfect lines. We lowered the car. Just look at how clean. I love it. I love it. You know, I love it. So guys, just remember how it was before and how it was right now. Just remember, you never tell something wrong with the car. Okay, I'm gonna show you inside. The thing, I fixed so many already, so many of these cars. Oh my god, I cannot even remember. Like I don't know. I know every bolt, every screw. So let's check it out inside. Okay, let's start. Oh, battery dead. No. It needs just clean up a little bit, but look at this. So guys, if you wanna save 100,000, you have to DM me, and I guarantee you're gonna save a lot of money. You're gonna make same exactly, and this car is like 100% safe, like any other clean title cars, 1000%. Because we're doing right, you know, we're doing like it's supposed to be. We spend time, we spend money, we spend a lot of time on the cars. Make sure everything right. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Right now I'm waiting for the customer. He's coming to see the car and he's gonna pick it up.
Shop in a couple minutes, alright?
For sure, man.
This guy.
Are you happy?
Oh, bro.
Guys, please like and subscribe.